Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. In today's Tàijíquán Tip, I've just finished teaching 4 classes, a little interim here but before the next class. And so what I would like to do for myself is practice. And while I'm practicing, I'm reviewing corrections that were given. And I'm particularly thinking about what they were, how they were delivered, and how effective those two things together could be. In other words, I'm looking for ways to improve my teaching. For you, if you're not a teacher, or perhaps you're doing this right after a class, um, you can also think, what are the corrections that you gave yourself or were given to you? So in my case, I was teaching, so I'm thinking about the ones that I gave. But you may think about them in terms of, here's how I self-corrected, here's the things I worked on, or here's what my classmate or my elder Kung Fu sister or my teacher gave me. So how were the corrections given, and what were the corrections, and together, how effective were those, and could they be improved? You might not be in the position to improve them if it was your teacher giving them to you, but to work on this sort of pedagogy practice, I think is really, really important. So it's a nice way for me to practice after having taught. So enjoy that and make sure that you return to study. Even if you've been studying, return to study. Thanks. Love.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.